everyone, welcome. So in today's video we're going to do a meal prep and just getting ready for the week just to make it a little easier. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 boys, a 2.5-year-old and a 3-month-old, but I like to prepare as much as I can on the weekend so that the week it's a little bit easier for me, especially during lunches, because that's the time when they both need me the most. So it gets kind of crazy, kind of loud in here, so I try to do as much as I can during the weekend when my husband is here to help. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the meal prep and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this week's meal prep. So I'm gonna boil some eggs and then I'm gonna start on my oatmeal. This is gonna be my breakfast for the week. But once the milk is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add the oats and just let them stir in there probably for about 30 to 40 minutes. I like my oatmeal to be really thick, so I just let it stay in there for a long time, and then we'll go ahead and get started with all the other stuff. So while this is going, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on all the other stuff. So first I'm gonna start doing some breakfast meal prep for my husband. He's only working 3 days this week, so I'm making him some yogurt parfaits, and then I'm gonna make him some wraps for the week. I'm just gonna do some ham and cheese wraps with a little bit of mayo. I don't put any like lettuce or tomato in there. One, because he doesn't like tomato, and then the lettuce gets kind of weird and you know it makes everything else weird, so I'm just not gonna add any of that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut some cucumbers and some carrots for us to have as snack with hummus or just as a side for one of our meals. So for the parfaits, I'm just gonna do an Activia yogurt on each mason jar. And then this is some homemade granola. Next time I make it, which I'm almost running out, so I'm gonna need to make it soon. I'm gonna make a video on it because it's really yummy and we love it. And then I'm just gonna top it off with some bananas. I usually top it off with whatever fruit I have, whether it's strawberries, apples, whatever. Today I have bananas, so we're gonna do bananas. I'm just using this Fit and Active flatbread. This is from Aldi, and I'm gonna make 6, 3 for my husband and 3 for me. And like I said, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just adding literally just ham and cheese for my husband's and then for mine too. But during the week, I'll add some like tomato on mine or some lettuce or some kind of like dressing or something just to make it a little bit yummier. He doesn't like that stuff, so I don't add that stuff to his. So yeah, this is what I'm using. So let's go ahead and get started. And then over here I have the wraps. So down here I have the ones for myself since I'll be home during the week. And then these are the ones for my husband. I just wrap them up for him and then he can just open them. I decided to add some ranch in 2 of them. I didn't do it in the first one, so he'll just have to have it dry. The other 2 have ranch, and then this extra cheese I'm just going to put in a Ziploc bag and put it in the refrigerator for sandwiches or whatever we need cheese for during the week. And then all I need to do is just cut up the cucumber, the carrots, shred the cheese, and then finish up with the eggs. The eggs are still starting to boil, and then the oatmeal is still going, so we got to get that done. The next day now, I totally forgot to show you this stuff yesterday, but here's what we have. We have the hard-boiled eggs that I peeled, and don't ever ask me to make deviled eggs for you because this is how my eggs always turn out. I cannot peel eggs for the life of me. And then my oatmeal, I already had my portion for today and it's portioned out. It has like little marks right here for the rest of the week. So there's that. And then in my refrigerator, I have the cucumbers and carrots down here. I have my wraps, which I'm gonna eat one right now. I have the 2 wraps for my husband for lunch. I have his parfaits down here, and then I have some vegetables and fruit again for him here. And yeah, that's what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this like meal prep video and just getting ready for the week and making it easier for me. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!